up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is my off day. I'm out here having fun with my R6. And my R6 never failed to put a smile on my face every time when I ride a bike. And most of you must be wondering, Singapore has such a hot and humid weather. Isn't it hot to ride a bike with the riding jacket? And the answer is no, because this is an air mesh constructed riding jacket. So when I'm riding at a speed, I'm going against the wind, and the air will enter through the air mesh, which will cool down my body. So unlike those leather jacket where the body heat will be trapped in the leather jacket, so riding with an air mesh jacket, it really helps to cool down your body. And as you guys know, the COVID pandemic has ongoing for about a year now. Some countries are doing good by containing the COVID-19 cases, and the situation for some countries are still pretty bad. And the good thing is now the vaccines has developed and manufactured by the scientists. So the new vaccines has rolled out to many countries, and most of the countries are encouraging people to take the vaccination. For example, in Singapore, for those who are aged above 60 years old, they have gotten their vaccination done, and now they are moving towards age group between age 45 to 60, and the last group will be the younger age group like us who are aged below 45 years old. I'm having a lot of doubts in mind whether are those vaccines safe for us. So if you guys have read the news, there are cases where people died after getting the vaccination, and I believe most of them are having a pre-existing medical condition which leads to their death. I have no worry about that because I'm healthy, my body is good. But my main concern is, are they safe for younger age group, people like us, you know, who are starting out our family, planning to have a second child or third child, because we are not sure whether it does affect our immune system, our genes and our body. And the COVID pandemic has happened just about a year ago, and within a year the vaccine was being manufactured. Less than a year. So I don't think there's adequate amount of trial tests. I don't think there's enough clinical tests on the vaccine. So we are not sure what are the long-term side effects. So I don't want to have any side effects down the road, probably 10 years down the road, 20 years down the road, or even 30 years down the road. It's really good to have the vaccine for all of us. So if everyone is to get vaccinated, the chances of the community spread will be lower, and I would say the chance is almost zero if everyone were to get vaccinated with the vaccine. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to get vaccinated soon, as some of the countries, they are opening up borders for tourists who have gotten their vaccination. Of course, we miss traveling, we miss holiday, and we miss going to our favorite places in overseas. And also, please do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, ride safe, and bye!